Friends, this is KD and you are watching Learning and Sharing with KD. So today we are going to see Postman Interceptor. So without wasting our time, let's just dive into a video, a quick demo of Postman Interceptor. Interceptor is the thing which can intercept web request and it is mainly used for intercepting the web request. Okay, so for Postman Interceptor, we have two options. One option is we have to install Postman on your local machine, else you have to install a Postman Interceptor as extension in Chrome. So I have both installed in my laptop actually. So let's open Postman. Okay, so first I will create one folder over here. I will give the name of folder as a collection where I can collect all my web requests. Okay, here is my collection is created. Now just click on this capture request via interceptor button over here. Okay, in that you will able to find these options, interceptor and proxy. Now I'm going to use interceptor, so I'm just clicking on the interceptor. Save request to. Here we have to choose a collection. I have given name to the collection as a collection. Okay, show additional filters. So URL must contain, for to which URL we want to intercept, just take that URL. Just now I want to take, for example, I want to intercept all web requests for geeks website. So I'm going to put that URL over here and just click on capture request. Now whenever you are going to click on any menu on this website, it is directly collecting all the requests in the Postman collection. Here is one request is captured using Postman Interceptor. So like this way you can get all the web requests using Interceptor. I will show how to get this request. I'm getting all those algorithms, interview preparation. Just go to your collection. Wow, Postman Intercept has got some request over here. So like this way you can get all your web APIs of one website and by using single clicks. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like this video. So please like, comment and share my video. Okay, let's, so till then, bye bye, have a good day, bye bye.